Okay, so I started late by accident. These are 2 strides apart. Nice. And I'm trying not to rush him, give him a little more line than I have been. Okay, you just missed one. He's pulling. Oh, covered in ants. Oh my word. Okay, so now we're turning into the turn. Let's see if he gets it. Oh, he missed. Oh, got it. Good job. So we did get the turn. Now we're going back to 2 strides. Oh, I thought he was going to miss it. He didn't. Please continue with 2 strides. Oh, he missed another one there. So he's missed 2 now. One was covered in ants, so I don't know if I should count that one. Just missed another one. Missed another one, and right to the glove. And offered it down. What a good boy. What a good boy. Here, look at you. Here, see, I'm a good boy. Okay. Good job, Ripple. Okay. Okay, good job. Oh, that's the spam. Come on. Let's go. Nice job, Ripple. Come on. Nice job. Oh, you love this. This is the favorite part. The favorite.